How to fix flickering screen in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to help you solve your flickering screen issue in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Just right click on your Windows icon on your taskbar and then go to Device Manager. Now, once it opens it up, search for display adapters, tap on this arrow, and you will see your adapter. Just right click on it and tap on update driver. So this will update the driver and then help you solve your flickering screen issue. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.